To the beauty of the great nature, we together with you are on the way. Apple One products have accompanied countless outdoor lovers in recording life and discovering the nature. During the process, we make unremitting effort in accumulation and change to bring more wonderful shooting experiences for consumers. In terms of the new generation of L2 ultrasonic, we upgrade the motor systems comprehensively and prolong the duration of flight to the amazing 24 minutes. We never stop blazing new trails in technology. The lightweight design enables you to carry the product anyway, getting closer to the nature and enjoying a better view in a better mood. The integral design contributes to the easier and more intelligent operation. The brand new digital video downlink can be connected with cell phone through Wi-Fi, meeting your HD demand. In terms of image formation, we introduced the unprecedented 3D and 4K two-lens camera, covered with our aluminum alloy 3-direction gimbal. The product can not only assure of the stability of high definition, but also shoot VR videos. The brand new optical flow position system guarantees the better flying stability and higher anti-interference ability and hovering precision under any circumstance. You can always wholeheartedly devote yourself to your creation. The remote controller and app operation method makes it more intelligent to operate. On that, only with single click, you can finish circle, follow, direction, fly, and other operations. Gten technology originates from life and changes it.